This video will show you how to professionally unmask fur or any animal skin in 2 minutes. Start by using any of the selection tool to select the subject. I will be using the pen tool. Then just go around the edges and select. When you are done, add a layer mask to it. As you can see, the edges of the selection is rather sharp and just straight. It doesn't look real due to the furs are also cut out. So to unmask the furs, go to the layer mask and right click on it, then click on select and mask. Now be sure to choose the second brush over there. Then while clicking, go around the edges of the furs. When done, hit OK. Now this is pretty much it. You can go ahead and add any background of your choice. I will just add a black background. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this video or the rest of my content, please feel very free to hit the subscribe button and also ring that bell to stay notified. Thanks for watching to the end.